Hi everyone, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. In last week's video, I introduced the 4 basic tax benefits for property buyers and investors in Florida, including personal income tax, property tax, estate tax, and corporate income tax. So before we begin today's video, I strongly suggest you go back to watch that video again for a recap or a revisit before we begin today's topic. Today's video is episode number 2 of Tax Benefits series, and I will talk about the tax benefits related to investment either in residential or commercial real estate. When people talk about real estate, they automatically think about buying a house. But it is more than just purchasing a property which can be used for many purposes. And depending on the purpose, the tax benefits are also different. Either it's for investing for a return, creating jobs, claiming tax benefits, making a donation, etc. So this video will expand your knowledge base of what real estate can do for you and why you should consider investing in Florida real estate. For those of you who don't know what capital investment is, it is having enough cash, loans, assets to fund a company's operations according to the Small Business Chronicle. Capital investment is usually long-term, which may include the purchase of real estate, property, plant, equipment, and other long-term assets. Capital investment is a type of funding provided to capital-intensive companies which create high-skilled jobs. According to Enterprise Florida, capital-intensive industries include clean energy, corporate headquarters, financial services, information technology, life sciences, semiconductors, advanced manufacturing, and transportation equipment manufacturing. These industries and sectors require enormous capital investment to create the economic effect and a significant number of jobs. Enterprise Florida and the Department of Economic Opportunity state that a company that fit into the aforementioned industries with at least 100 job creations in Florida that invest at least $25 million in cumulative capital investment can take up to an annual amount of 5% of the eligible capital cost for up to 20 years against the corporate income tax. So that's 5% of capital investment tax credit. So that is a great tax incentive for capital-intensive industries to move to Florida, among other tax benefits. Recent biological and climatic crises such as COVID and climate change make many corporations aware that they need to find new places to develop businesses with lower cost and higher profit. And Florida offers such a policy to attract and benefit industries and companies. I will provide a link to the policy for you to take a look. Number 2, community contribution tax credit. Community contribution is when companies make donations to improve community development or housing for low-income persons. The Florida Department of Economic Opportunity states that qualified business donors can take up to 50% tax credit worthy of the donation value in the form of cash, property, or goods. This is a great tax incentive to improve community home ownership and development. Please note that businesses can claim up to $200,000 per business per year. There is also a total quota per year. For the fiscal year of 2021 to 2022, the total tax credit quota for housing for low-income persons is $10.5 million. Applicants need to apply between July the 1st to July the 15th of 2021 to receive tax credits. Community contribution is a great way to claim tax credits and solve housing issues for low-income persons, especially in the pandemic. It is a great combination of profit and non-profit efforts to solve social issues while benefiting businesses. Number 3, research and development, R&D tax credit. This is a great tax incentive to expand and create new and pillar industries in Florida. R&D is the backbone of science and technology and economic development that creates prosperity in an area. To claim R&D tax benefits, businesses need to be in the following industries: life sciences, information technology, aviation and aerospace, homeland security and defense, cloud information technology, marine sciences, material science, and nanotechnology industries. Businesses also need to receive certification letter from the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity. The tax credit is up to 50% of the Florida corporate income tax after other tax credits are applied. The application of the R&D tax credit starts on March 20th, 2021. I'll also provide a link to the application page down below. Number 4, state housing tax credit. This tax credit offers up to 9% for a taxable year to private corporations that build low-income housing in urban areas, which is also a great tax incentive. It is managed by the Florida Housing Finance Corporation, which is created by Florida legislature to provide affordable housing solution. Typically, the housing credit is applied to qualified development projects that subsidizes either 30% or 70% of the low-income cost units. And the tax credit is to be used in 10 consecutive years. If the low-income unit costs are 30%, it is for non-competitive applicants, which enjoy tax credit of 4%. If the costs are 70%, it is for competitive applicants, which enjoy a 9% tax credit. For more information of how the state housing tax credit works, I will also provide a link to the Florida Housing Finance Corporation for you to take a look. For those of you who already have an idea of investing in real estate and expanding business in Florida, I provide the latest numbers and policies in government and official websites. If you have any questions, please consult with your CPA for details and implementation. If you're new to these tax benefits, this video will provide a very good introduction to expand your knowledge base of investing in real estate in Florida. In the next video, I will continue the topic about tax benefits and incentives related to environment and energy sector. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.